Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram feed to it. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can click on the search bar right here and search in here for Instagram feed. So search for that right here. Then from in there, we should be able to see this app right here. So click on open right here. Then this will open the Wix app market. Now on this Wix app market, you can see this ad right here. So click on add. And then once I have clicked on that, it will take a while to load in order to add your Instagram feed right here. So in here, you can see the default Instagram feed, which is just a dummy feed that Wix has integrated for us. Now you can click on the smash link right here in order to personalize it to put in there your actual page. Now, if there's still some error on the managing the link, which is this one for not found, this because it takes some time to render. So while you're doing that, you can head over and click on settings. And then from in there, it will show you your Instagram feed. Then you can actually just connect your personal account to your actual Instagram feed. So when you click on this, it will be redirected to your Instagram, wherein you can connect it in order to show into your feed that you have. So just log into Instagram through this way and should be able to integrate your streams right here. So that's the whole process. If we have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.